warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everybody.
Good morning.
How's your life?
I'm fine and thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, leader of the class, please lead the prayer.
Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, by reading a prayer, hope God will give us the easiness to understand the material today.
Amin.
Okay, students, I want to ask you, who's absent today?
Hwang Hyunjin.
Wang Hyunjin?
Yes.
Oh, the students coming from Korea?
Yes.
Oh, why?
Because Corona, miss.
Corona, so he's back to the country?
Yes.
Country?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Everyone stay healthy and keep social distancing.
Yes.
Okay. Students, yesterday we have learned about descriptive text.
Yes. Descriptive text.
So I wanna ask you, what is descriptive text?
Miss.
Okay, Eva.
Descriptive text is a text to describe something, such as place, person, animal, or things.
Okay, fantastic. Now we are going to learn about recount text. By learning recount text, we able to retell a story or our experience in the past. Students, let's decide this class into 4 groups.
Ryujin, with me. No, I'm with me, please.
Please become, guys, please become. Okay, I wanna decide this group into 4 groups. Absent number 1 till number 5 into first group. Absent number 6 until number 10 to be second group, and absent number 11 till 15 to be third group, and the last to be fourth group.
Okay, miss.
Okay, before I explain you about recount text, I wanna ask you about your knowledge. So, what is recount text?
Retell story, miss.
Okay, good, retell story. But I wanna explain you more about recount text. Okay, students, recount text is a text that tells the reader about one story, action, experience, or our activity. The purpose of recount text is to list and describe the past experience by retelling the events. And beside of that, it also to inform or entertaining the readers about our story. And next is generic structure. There are 3 kind of generic structure. First is orientations. Orientation, it tells who was involved in the story, such as I as the writer, or she or he, another person, and where events that took place, such as in my house, in my school, and what happened. I woke up lately, and when it happened, such as on Sunday morning, on Sunday night, and etc. That's. And the second one is events. It tells how the chronological sequence of the story. And the third one, the last, is reorientations. Reorientations, it tells how it consists the optional closure of the events or the ending of the story, such as finally my teacher was angry to me because I came late to the school. And next is the language features. The characteristic of the recount text, there are 5. First is using temporal sequence. For example, like on Saturday, on Monday. Any ideas, guys?
Last night, miss.
Okay, fantastic. Last night. That's the example of the using temporal sequence. And the next one, and the second, is focus on specific writer. For example, like I as the writer. And the third is using conjunctions. Conjunction, for example, like then, before, after, and etc. And the fourth is using action verb. Yesterday we have already learned about using action verb in the descriptive text. I want to ask you, can you mention one of action verb?
Go!
Okay, go. But that's in the verb 1 in descriptive text. In recount text, we change it in the verb 2 to be when. Okay? So all the action verb to be verb 2. And the next one, the last, is using simple past tense and past continuous. Now we are going to learn about the tenses of the recount text. There are two kinds of the tenses of recount text. First is past tense, subject plus verb 2 plus object. For example, like I went to the classroom. The verb to be verb 2. If in the descriptive text, I go to the classroom. If it is in the recount text, to be I went to the classroom. The verb first is go. If it is in the recount text, to be when. So it changes to be verb 2. Okay? And the next one is past continuous. The pattern is subject plus be, was or were, plus verb ing, and plus object. For example, like she was crying. She, the to be, was. Verb ing, crying. Okay. Next to the example of the recount text. This is the example of the recount text. I want to read it. Last weekend, my friends and I went camping. We reached the camping ground after we walked for about 1.5 hours from the parking lot. We built the camp next to a small river. Okay, I want to ask you, last weekend, it include two?
Temporal tense.
Fantastic. Yuri, can you read the second paragraph?
It was getting darker and colder, so we put a fire camp. The next day, we spent our time observing plantation and insects while the girls were preparing meals. In the afternoon, we went to the river and cooked some fish for supper. At night, we held a fire camp night.
Okay.
We sang, danced, read party, played magic trick, and even some of us performed our standing comedy.
Okay, good. Thank you, Yuri.
You're welcome.
Okay, and the last one. On Monday, we packed our bags and got ready to go home. This is the example of the reorientations. The writer gives the conclusion of the story. That's all the explanation of recount text. Right now, I wanna give you a time to ask everything you want that's unclear about recount text. So, please raise your hand if you wanna ask.
Miss.
Okay, Yuri. Oh, I'm sorry, Mia.
I don't understand about past tense.
About past tense in what side?
Why it should be verb 2?
Okay, good questions. Because it's past tense. Past tense means tells about past story, past experience. If it is used verb 1 or verb ing, means it's not past tense. The doer do the activity is right now or the doer going to do the activity. For example, like I go to the school means the writer I go to the school right now. If I'm going to go to school means the writer or I if going to will. This is the past tense, so it should be used verb 2 because it tells about past story, past experience, but tells the story right now, so it use verb 2. Okay, Mia, are you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, good. Maybe another student wanna ask?
No.
Okay, I thought you have already understand about recount text, so I will give you about a video script to strengthen your comprehension, your understanding about recount text. right now we will play the game about Lucky Well. Have you ever seen Lucky Well?
I ever seen in the Play Store. That's a game, miss.
Fantastic! It's such kind of a game, Lucky Well, in the Play Store. So we will play the game about Lucky Well. So before we play the game about Lucky Well, we will sing a song about Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Someone who hold the last someone who hold this pen, this stick, will come forward. Have you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, good. Please sing a song, Twinkle Twinkle Star. This is Yuri. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamonds in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Ava, come forward, please. Okay, Eva will play the game because she is one of someone who hold the last pen of the sing song just now. I will give a paper. This is consists of the name of the Lucky Well. So if it is Eva pick one, so she will answer the question of the Lucky Well. Please, Eva, pick one of your paper.
C.
Oh, C. Okay, C. You can pick the number C. Number C. Object C. Okay, I will pick up for you. This is
Mention the action verb from LU.
mention the action verb from LU. This is the LU. So mention the action verb. So you have to pick up again. This is, you can open it. The action verb.
I burned.
First, I burn.
I was making.
I was making.
I got dressed.
I got dressed. So the action verb is got dressed. Then
I want to. I
want to.
I walk.
I walk. So the action verb is walk.
Walk.
Yes. Finish?
Yes, I'm finished.
Okay, that's all the example of action verb. There are walked,
Walk.
burned,
Burn.
I was
was
making,
I want.
want to,
And I ran out.
run out. Okay, give applause to Eva. Please go back to your seat, Eva. Okay, right now I will give you a practice of paper to strengthen your understanding about recontext. I will give you one by one each group so you can discuss it with your friend in your group. So this is, give it to your friends, Mia. Okay, I will give you several minutes to discuss it with your member of the group. This is the time to present your result of the discussions. Whose group bravely to present their result of discussion? Please raise your hand.
I miss.
Okay, the group of Mia. Who was okay, the group of Mia, please come forward. Okay, the representative of the group of Mia.
Yesterday, my family and I went to the zoo to see the elephant. When we got to the zoo, we went to the shop to buy some food to give to the animals. After getting the food, we went to the nocturnal house where we saw birds and reptiles, which only come out at night. Before having lunch, we went for a ride on the elephant. It was a thrill to ride it. Dad fell off when he let go of the rope, but he was okay. During the lunch, we fed some birds in the park. In the afternoon, we saw the animals being fed. When we returned home, we were very tired but happy. It was because we had so much fun activities at many places at the zoo.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now read the questions and the answer.
First, where was was the writer go yesterday?
Okay, where was the writer go yesterday?
The writer went to the zoo.
Okay, good. Exactly. The writer went to the zoo. And the number 2?
What animals were there at the zoo based on the text?
Based on the text.
Based on the text,
Okay.
bird,
Bird.
reptiles,
Reptile.
elephant.
Elephants. Good. Next.
What was the writer feel after go to the zoo?
What was the writer feel after go to the zoo?
The writer very tired but happy.
Okay, fantastic. The writer very tired but happy. Okay, give applause to Mia. Okay, please wait a minute. I will give a word to Mia, who bravely present her discussion with the group. This is not big, but it can motivate you to bravely come forward or bravely to present your discussion or your ideas. Okay, this is Mia.
Yes, thank you, Miss.
Okay, you can go back to your seat. Okay, everybody, I will give you a homework about recontext. So please open page 20.
Okay, Miss.
Have you opened?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Before we close our lesson today, I wanna ask you, how is your feeling?
Fantastic! I wanna play the game again.
Okay, good. You wanna play the game again. After this class, you can play the game in the rest time. What we have learned just now
About recontext.
about recontext. So what is recontext?
Recontext is a text to retell experience or story in a past.
Okay, good. You have memorized it, you have understand it. So, what's your favorite activity during this class?
Play the lucky well.
Wow, exactly about play the game, about play lucky well. Okay, leader of the class, please lead the prayer.
Before we close our class today, let's read Hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Amin. Okay, thank you everyone. See you later. See you in the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.